What's up, you guys? It's Steve here, and for those of you that have been waiting for that unemployment tax refund to finally hit, hearing about all these waves and you still haven't gotten it yet, well, we have an update as to when you might get it, and it might be sooner than you expected. This is your unemployment update. Take a look at this article, just came out yesterday. IRS unemployment tax refund, August update. You might get a check next week if you've been waiting. That's right, you guys. Now, I'm going to dive into this article, let you know what they're saying. They're giving a specific date of when a new wave is going to be hitting people's accounts. So I'm going to dive right in, get you caught up on the latest if you've been waiting. Now, all this information I'm about to share with you is totally free, with just the exception of one like button smash. If you could do that, I would really appreciate it a ton. Just takes a second and lets YouTube know that you think I'm doing a great job, and in turn, YouTube will then take this video and share it out to other people so they can see it as well. Now, in addition to that, be sure to leave your comments down below. I love hearing your thoughts on everything that they're letting us know is happening, and also be sure to share this out yourself if you think that it's going to help out other people. Also, if this is your first time here and you want to stay up to date on all this stuff, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. You can come join the Ram fam. I'll keep you up to date on stimulus, unemployment, Congress, the economy, anything having to do with money. I'll keep you up to date here on the channel. And if you got any specific questions regarding unemployment or stimulus or anything that's going on, the best place to get a hold of me is Instagram. Shoot me a DM at SteveRam3. That is the best way to get any specific questions that you have for me answered. But with that being said, you guys, let's dive into this article, and I'm going to get you caught up on the latest regarding these unemployment tax refunds that are expected to hit bank accounts this upcoming week. Alright, you guys, so as always, link in the description below to this article that just came out yesterday. I always cite my sources so that way you can see them for yourself and know that I'm not just making up random stuff, okay? So this article says that the IRS unemployment tax refund August update, you might get a check in the next week if you've been waiting. Now the subtitle, listen to this, direct deposit payments have typically begun on a Wednesday for the unemployment tax refunds that have been going out since May. And yep, you're going to be finding out that they're thinking that you could hit your bank account starting this Wednesday. Take a look. More tax refunds are on the way for people who overpaid taxes on the 2020 unemployment compensation. And now we're getting fresh signs that the next round of payments could be coming as soon as next week, you guys. A number of excited social media users took to Twitter, Reddit, and Facebook groups on Friday to say that their online tax transcripts had been updated. And as you know, you go to irs.gov, check your transcripts there. In previous videos, I walk you through all the steps, and you can see if the IRS has made any updates as to any transactions that might be taking place for your account. And on there, that's how you can find out if you are about to receive your unemployment tax refund. And it says their transcripts have been updated with the payment date of Wednesday, August the 18th. And you guys, that is when we're hearing the new wave will be starting this upcoming Wednesday, August the 18th. Now that would be consistent with historical payment patterns from the IRS, which has typically begun sending out unemployment related refunds on a Wednesday for people with direct deposit. Now previous rounds, they began hitting bank accounts on July 14th and July 28th, both on Wednesdays as well. Now, as of Friday morning, yesterday morning, the IRS had not officially announced when the next round of payments was going to be going out, except in August. Would it be delivered? So they said it was going to be sometime in August, but they didn't give us a specific date. But as we mentioned, we don't need them to announce it. All you got to do is check those transcripts, and you can see when it should be expected to hit your account. Now it says, a source familiar with the timing confirmed that a batch of payments was scheduled to go out the week of August 16th, but did not have an exact date. Now, reached for a comment by Fast Company, a spokesperson for the agency had no immediate information. We'll update this post when we hear more. So right now, there has been no official announcement from anybody from the IRS, but people are seeing it on their transcripts that it's going to be this upcoming Wednesday. Now, in the meantime, if you've been waiting patiently for these payments, it's worth checking your tax transcripts, which will usually update when a new payment has been authorized. Now, announced in March, the refunds, this is just a quick recap for you guys, are being delivered all throughout the summer, and some taxpayers have reported unemployment compensations for their 2020 tax returns. They are receiving this. So you'll recall that the first $10,200 of unemployment benefits that you received in 2020, back in March of 2021, President Joe Biden signed the American Rescue Plan, making that first $10,200 tax-free. So if you already filed your taxes and paid taxes on that money, well, the IRS is going to have to send you a refund check because it was supposed to be tax-free. Now, reading on, it says the American Rescue Plan, signed into law back on March 11th, excluded up to $10,200 in taxable income from the unemployment compensation, and the IRS later said it identified some 13 million taxpayers whose returns may have been adjusted as a result of the changes. So there's 13 million people in the United States who should be expecting a tax refund. Now, not all of the adjustments will result in refunds though. So if you're somebody that maybe didn't have taxes taken out, you just don't have to pay on it. So it's a break even. But if you already paid taxes on it, you're one of the people that can expect to receive a check. Now it says so far the IRS has sent out about 8.7 million unemployment-related refunds beginning in May. Now, as of last month, the average payment size reported to the IRS was $1,686, you guys. So roughly $1,700 is the average amount that you get for this refund check. Now, it has said that the payments will continue throughout the summer. Fingers crossed. So you guys are saying hopefully throughout the course of the summer, everybody that's been waiting for this refund will receive it. Although we've received word that a lot of people are still waiting, especially those married couples that file jointly and people with more complicated taxes. They're saying those ones are kind of at the back end. But if you've been waiting, it might be coming this upcoming Wednesday. Now, a lot of people have been asking me a lot of questions about unemployment and the tax refunds and how this all works. Just wanted to clarify for you guys that this is only for the year 2020. If you collected unemployment benefits back in the year 2020, then you can go ahead and receive this tax refund if you paid taxes on that first $10,200 that you received. Now, for the year 2021, right now, as it stands, you have to pay taxes on those unemployment benefits. However, we will see if this gets implemented once again. And as you guys know, right now, they are writing the current stimulus package for $3.5 trillion, and we're going to see what gets included. Now, as I mentioned in previous videos, there is a whole lot of debating going on right now amongst the Democrats themselves, progressives and moderates, and especially Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi. They are all fighting over how this should be done, what should be included, the size of it, and they're pretty much holding the different parts of the infrastructure bill hostage to try to get their way, you guys. So the first portion for infrastructure, the second portion for stimulus, and we're going to see what unfolds. I'll be sure to keep you guys up to date, and I'll let you know if a tax-free refund might be included for the year 2021. Again, we will see, or if there's an extension of federal unemployment benefits. Now, as you guys know, right now they're ending all over the nation in different states, and they will officially end. The current extension expires September 6th of 2021. However, with the state of the Delta variant and the pandemic spreading, we will see if they need to extend these benefits out further. Now, this again is PUA, PEUC, and that $300 per week FPUC boost. These are the three that are on the line right now. These are those federal benefits, and if they end, then there will be literally millions and millions of people that are collecting those benefits that will see the end of them. However, we'll see if there's an extension. Now, whatever happens, I'll be sure to keep you guys up to date here on the channel so that way you know what unfolds. And with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for joining me here in today's video on a Saturday. And if you've made it this far and you haven't already, if you could just do me a quick favor, smash that like button. The simple price of one like button, you can get these updates, and it helps out my channel a ton. Thank you so much. Also, leave your comments down below, share this out, come join the Ram fam, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and send me any questions you got at SteveRam3. And also, you guys, remember that my regular uploads are 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday. That's guaranteed videos at that time, or roughly around that time. I've been kind of a little bit earlier, a little bit late here and there, but I try to do 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and also random videos throughout the day and on weekends occasionally as news breaks. But with that being said, you guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Hope this reaches you well. Take care. God bless. This is Steve.